and their cable. Yep, I can see Edison's robot here. Perfect. And then the cable as well. Yep, perfect. I can see you having that as well. Perfect. Awesome, TV. And Janavi, great job. Awesome. Perfect. Okay, awesome. So we're going to start now. So who wanted to demonstrate what they've done from the previous week? No? Okay, I'll just I'll probably ask one of you to just press play. When you press play, something, wait, so make sure you turn your robot on, just press play, and then we can just see what the previous program from last week we've done is. So who wants to just volunteer to press the play button? Flat up with you. Okay, Divi and Janavi, yeah, just press the play button. Just press the play button, and I'll just see what you've done last week. Yep. Okay, so Divi and Janavi. Yep. Press play. Yep. Perfect. Awesome. So you ran in the square. It's pretty good. So that's what we did last week. We ran in the square. Awesome. Okay. Vlad, what's up? What's up, Vlad? Your audio disconnected. Okay. Let me just disconnect and then join the class again. Yeah. Awesome. Okay. So yeah, just oh wait. I'll just have to type it in. Join the class. Okay, yeah. Yeah, this is what you do. Okay, awesome. Wait, just Vlad, okay, just let me can you hear me? If you can hear me, just wave your hand if you can hear me. Can you hear me? Can you hear me, Vlad? Just basically turn off your iPad or computer. Turn it on again. Okay, I hope we can get these technical issues, especially these technical issues. Yeah, sorry out as soon as possible. Okay, awesome. So what we're going to do, Vlad's going to join us in our class again. He's just going to leave the class. He's going to join us again. Okay, so does anyone know how to join, how to open up the EdScratch app on the website? Do you know the EdScratch app website? Okay, do you want to type it in the chat for all of us to use? You know the link? Yeah, perfect, awesome. Thank you so much, Liam and Henry. So we're gonna open up the app again. So, okay, so now if you open up this, I'm just gonna quickly share my screen. Okay, so welcome back, Vlad. So now what we're gonna do is I'm gonna share my screen. Let me know if you can see my screen. Let me find this. Okay, can you see my screen? Yes, can you see my screen? I'll just make it bigger. I'll spin it, make it wider and stuff. Can everyone see? Yes? Yeah, perfect, awesome. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna go over some previous content, just go over some old stuff, and we'll go over the new stuff as well. So first of all, okay, so just a question is, it's a starting point. How would you get the, would you get your car to pretty much, what's it called, just spin around forever? How would you like make your car spin around forever? Does anyone have an idea? Any ideas? No? Okay, so just maybe let's do a simpler question. How do you make your car, your Edison robot, like spin 360 degrees? How would you do that? Don't know? Okay, so follow along with what, okay, see what, okay, yeah, if you know, Vlad, do you want to explain? I'll ask you to unmute. Okay, yeah, you're on mute. I can hear you. I can hear you. I can hear you. I can hear you. Can you say something? Yep, awesome. What are you gonna do? Can you explain like what are you trying to do?
All right, so you need to go to spin.
Yep,
You could
spin.
spin left or right if you want. Gonna put whatever spin block you want to do. And then when it says spin 4, put 360, which is 360, which is a full revolution.
Yep.
Then you've got to go to program Edison, and before you do that, get the thing.
Yep. Okay.
Plug it on your headphone jack. My headphone jack will be like in a different location than yours.
Yep.
All right, and then turn your press the round record button, or well, if it's not on, there'll be the switch in the back. Just turn the switch, and then you see this flashing light. Press the circle button, then press program Edison. Just wait for that. Mine, I don't know why mine's eerie. If that makes that noise, just press it again.
Okay.
But it should work if it makes that noise. So just take it off.
Okay, let's see. Let's try. Okay, so if you try to run.
Okay. And then if you just, well, if you make that noise, then just try again. You have to make a gear sound. Then press the triangle button when you place it on the floor. That's how you do it.
Okay, awesome. You can try it again on your end. But thank you, Winston. Sorry, thank you, Vlad. Thank you, Vlad. Okay, yeah. So we're gonna program this on my end. So yeah, so basically Vlad got the right idea. So just turn, and then just circle. Yeah, just now gonna do program Edison here. Yep. Okay, now, so what should happen is pretty much it's going to spin in a revolution. So it's going to spin around like this. Awesome. Okay, how would you make it spin forever? No takers? Okay, so what you do is you just sorry, someone said that. Okay, so yeah, that's fine. That's fine. If you forgot, that's fine. Just put this in here. So this is what you do. So it's gonna spin forever. And maybe let's try to make it spin left and right forever. So let's spin left and right forever. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put this here. Sorry, no, ignore that. Spin. Maybe 360 degrees. Maybe let's make it full speed. Let's just see what Edison robot will do. So we'll connect this in here. We're gonna program Edison. And then we will disconnect. After disconnecting, right? After disconnecting, we're gonna try running this. So this is what it's gonna look like. It's gonna run spin left and spin right forever. It's gonna do this forever. It's gonna naturally go to this direction. So let's just move back here. So you just turn it off either by turning this off, or just pressing the middle button here. Awesome, awesome. So can you do it on your end? Okay, so I'll give you probably like, yeah, just 2 minutes to do this, and then you can demonstrate to me. Okay, whoever's done, just let me know, and then if they want to demonstrate, just raise your hand or just type in the chat. Okay, anyone done yet? Okay, so who's done? Yep, okay, David, Janavi, do you want to explain? You want to demonstrate? Okay, let's see you do it. Yep, nice, awesome, good job. Okay, Vlad, how about you? You demonstrate? Okay, just put it in a location where you have lots of space. Yep, okay, so let's try. Okay, let's try again. Not sure what happened. Yep, nice, awesome. Perfect, awesome. Good job, Vlad. Okay, awesome. So, how would I make this spin only 4 times? So to run this only 4 times, how would you get it to, instead of run forever, to run only 4 times? Yep, okay, I see some. Okay, yep, Vlad, do you want to explain how? Okay, wait, I'm just gonna ask you to mute. Yep, I can explain what you do.
So, firstly, since we're gonna spin 4 times, we need to spin left twice, spin right twice. So you just want to put left 2 times. Right.
It's a smart solution.
Times.
Solution.
This would do it. This will do the spin 4 times, which is left 2 times, right 2 times. So next, you need to take away the forever bit if you want to do it only twice.
Yep.
Because we're not constantly doing it. Go to Program Edison and then make sure you find this
You're gonna write track. You take away the forever. So awesome. Yep, awesome. I'll get back to you. So you're on the right track. You take away the forever. Okay. So Tamer, Is it your name, right? Tamer, right? Tamer, is it right? Or is it Mohi? Mohi, that's your name, right?
Yeah, I forgot to rename myself.
Okay, sorry, I'll change.
Okay, so I was gonna say we put instead of forever repeat two times. I mean, yeah, like repeat them like whenever, like how much we want them to, we want the robot to do.
Okay, so
So
we do.
for example, yeah,
Yep, nice.
I was
Awesome.
gonna say that.
No, good job, Mohi. Awesome. Is your thing working now?
Well, yeah, it is work.
Perfect. Awesome. Finally. Okay, so now try to demonstrate this. So you're gonna do the program medicine part here.
Okay.
Okay. So now program is on your end. Okay. So now I'm gonna run this program. Yep. Now only 4 times. So yeah, it's gonna run. 1, 2, 3, 4. Awesome. Okay, I'll give you all 2 minutes. Who wants to demonstrate this first? We'll demonstrate this first. Okay, who wants to demonstrate? Yep, David, Janavi, do you want to demonstrate? That's good, awesome, good job, David and Janavi. Mohi, do you want to demonstrate? Okay, so can you put your camera so we can see? Or just unmute your microphone as well.
I can't do it on my computer because it's hard like to bend
Okay,
it.
fine. But does it spin 4 times, right?
Yeah.
Okay, awesome. Okay, awesome. Put your Mohi. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is I'll give you 10 minutes. Try making your Edison robot move in a square forever. Like you keep moving in a square. So that's the challenge for you. So you pretty much your Edison robot move in a square, but forever, you know? Actually, let's do two. Sorry, let's just do 2 phases. Can anyone just be able to use this to do a square? All you have to do is just replace these 2 boxes. I'll probably give you probably give you like 5-ish minutes to figure it out. If not, I'll give you extra time. So just do a square. So like one square, like we did last week. It should be quick because you've already done this last week. Okay, Vlad, do you want to demonstrate what you've done?
All right.
Oh, yeah, Vlad, go first. David, Janavi, also good job. I'll ask you to demonstrate.
Yeah, here we go.
Let's go, Vlad.
I need flat space for this.
Yeah, sure.
Right.
Yeah.
That.
Oh, nice. You made it run forever. Nice, awesome.
Yes.
Okay.
Code.
Nice, awesome. What do you do?
I did this.
Okay, that's good. That's good. That's good. That's good implementation. Awesome. Good job. All right. David, Janavi, do you want to demonstrate? David, Janavi, do you want to demonstrate? Okay, do you press play? Awesome. Okay, so that's pretty good. Awesome. So yeah, Vlad, it's a good implementation. I'll just make it slightly easier for you. Instead of having to do this 4 times, all you can do is pretty much do forward. Just say for like I'll say 5 centimeters, and then yeah, probably do like 5, and spin at 90 degrees. So instead of having to copy and paste this 4 times, you don't have to do this 4 times. You can just use this repeat feature here. You don't have to do this 4 times. You can just do the repeat feature. So it just saves you a lot of time. Awesome. Okay. Yeah, nice. Awesome. So this is just to at least make one square one time. So I'm just going to quickly run this on my end as well. So here. So I'm just going to press Pro Edison here. Okay, let's take this out. Okay, now let's run this. This is what it looks like. Yeah, this is what it will look like. So you pretty well run it once. Okay, so how would you do it forever then? I know Vlad has done it. Can we ask someone else to try to tell the class how to make this one forever? Does anyone know? We did this just earlier. Does anyone know? Okay, let's continue on. All you have to do is this. Forever here. Yeah, what's up? What's the question plan? I'll ask you. What's the question plan?
Can this Edison drift?
So I can't hear you. Can you say again?
Can this Edison drift?
I think you're on mute or you're having on your audio again. Edison can drift? That's interesting. I never thought of that. You can try to program it to make Edison drift, like make it like go and drive forward very fast and turn very fast, and maybe it could drift. And if you can do it on ice, or like on some slippery surface, it could drift. So that'll be interesting. We'll try that. Okay, awesome. Perfect. So now, this. Okay, so we do this here, but okay, add an extra challenge. Can you make the Edison robot what to call how do I say this? Can you make the Edison robot like beep after every turn? Okay, how would you? So every time the Edison robot finishes a square, you'll beep. How would you do that? I'll give you probably a few minutes to try it out. Remember, use this here to make a beep. Where do you place this? Okay, Winston. Do you want to? Okay, I will unmute you. Do you want to tell us where? Actually, yeah, can you hear? Can you use your mic by Winston?
So there's the repeat for them.
You there, Winston? Can you hear me?
Yes.
If you know, then you can just type it in the chat, or you can say it, or you can just type in the chat.
So after the repeat for, you put a beat.
I think if you're trying to say something, I cannot hear you. If not, then you can just type in the chat. Okay. We'll get back to you then. Okay. So, wait. Okay, David, Janami, do you want to explain? Do you want to demonstrate? Or maybe turn on your microphone so we can actually hear the sound.
Yeah.
Yep, awesome. I can't hear it, but I assume you did. But yeah, Winston's on the right track. You just put this after here. Okay, also, Vlad, do you want to demonstrate it? Okay, so, okay, let's see you try. I think you should reprogram or try to make it look like this and see if that works. Okay, I'm going to try demonstrating on my end as well. Yeah, it can't be in the repeat box also. So let's just program this here. Yeah, so this is what will happen. So this is what it will look like. Okay, so this is what it will look like here. So see, you run, you do a square first, you make a beat. After 4 times, you make a beat. Yep, awesome. You get the points. Okay, so now, yep, perfect, awesome. Good job, Vlad. Okay, so now what we're going to do, is pretty much allow your Edison robot just to turn on and turn off after pressing a button. So pretty much what we can do is, so your program will pretty much run after you press the play button the first time, you run and you do automatically all of these things. But you can also make other parts of your robot do other things when you interact with it. So for example, when you press the triangle button, and when you press the this button here. So let's just do something cool. So what we're going to do is we're going to turn on and turn off the Edison robot when you pretty much what's it called, pretty much how do I say this? When you pretty much press a button. So what we can do is we will turn on the LED button, and then we can also do another thing is when you press the circle button, you turn off the LED button here. So yeah, so what we're going to do now is we're going to program this, and then yeah, please follow along, and then please demonstrate to the class as well. We're going to program this. Wait, just I need to turn this on first. Press the circle, program Edison. And then now what will happen is you will keep Edison, the robot will keep running. Yeah, but then when you press the triangle, the light will turn on. The left light will turn on. When you press triangle, the light will turn on. When you press the circle, the light will turn off. Will turn on and turn off when you press the light. So yeah, so I'll give you a few minutes to get it done, and then to demonstrate that. Yeah, awesome. It works, Winston. Good job, Winston. All right, now you just find better internet, someone with a better internet location, and turn up your camera, see that if that helps. Yep, David, gentlemen, do you want to demonstrate? Okay, let's try. Now, maybe just grab your Edison robot, just try to turn on and turn off the lights. Okay. Yep, nice, and circle. Nice, awesome. Good job, great job, great job, great job. Okay, so what we can do is maybe let's just try this. When we clap on, when it claps, it will stop the engine altogether. And I suggest you take the beep out because it might make the clap detect on its own. So what we're going to do is when you run the Edison robot, when you clap, it will stop. So let's try running that on our end. Okay, so let's turn this on here. Okay, so now let's try this. Oh, sorry, this is. Okay, so maybe because the sound is detected very early on, so let's just try this again. Could be very hypersensitive. Anyway, let's probably try something else. Maybe we can let me just quickly check something. Okay, so maybe because of the thing is a bit sensitive, we can't turn it off. But what we can do is pretty much maybe. This is interesting. Maybe when we play a clap or something, so I just ignore this. Let's turn off. If we clap, it will pretty much maybe play. or you probably play a sound or something like that. I'll just maybe play a few sounds. You can play Twinkle Twinkle Little Stars again. You can play Twinkle Twinkle Little Stars again. Or maybe you can play it really fast. So yeah, so whenever you clap or you hear sound, it will play this song. So let's try. When you hear a clap, you play this song. So whenever it hears an extra sound, you play it. That's the intention. So is going to run the Edison program again. It will take a while because it's a big program. So now you should start running. Whenever you hear sounds, you'll play Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. And then it will play. So it'll be very quiet or something like that. Okay. Maybe we ignore clap for the time being. Clap is very sensitive. So what we're going to do now is we're probably going to try something else. We're going to try maybe we're going to try. Let me just see what we have to do. Oh, what we can do is let me just try this. We're just playing around with this. So maybe whenever you press, whenever you hear the clap or something, some sounds being detected. Actually, we're gonna do something else here. So what we're gonna do, we're just gonna take this out. We're just gonna let the program run forever. You keep running continuously, and then whenever you hear clap, the light will turn on, and then when you press the circle, it will turn off. Let's try that. Okay, so we just press play, and then you clap, you turn the light on. You press the circle, it will turn the light off. Clap, you turn the light on, light off, light on, light off. I'll give you a few minutes to demonstrate that. Liam, are you good? Okay, good. Yep, okay, David, Janami, do you want to demonstrate? Yep, okay. So turn off the light. And then now clap. Yep, nice, awesome, good job. Good job. Okay, who else wants to demonstrate? Actually, haven't heard from you for a while. Who is Liam? Henry and Liam here? No, I think they left. Not sure what happened here. Oh, well, we can join them later. Okay, so okay, Does anyone want to demonstrate or try this out? No? Okay, so I'm going to introduce something called comments. Comments pretty much allows you and for other people to read and take note of your code. So for example, like if you see maybe for someone random, someone who has never done this before, who is seeing your code for the first time, they'll be like, oh, I don't get this code. Comments can allow you to keep note of your code or allow you to explain to other people what your code does. So at least for this logic here, we can at least we say allow my program to run forever. I can add a comment here. Turn on light after turn light on after I clap, and I can just say turn light off after I press circle. So that's pretty much allows you to keep track of your code, so people can understand what your code does. It makes more sense, you know. So if you come back after a while, you can at least keep track of what you do to your code as well, you know. So that's something very useful to keep in mind. So yeah, okay. Okay. So okay. So what we're gonna do is yeah. So this is pretty interesting. What we can do is because the thing is, like, I wanted to keep using the clap feature. The clap feature is pretty cool. But because the thing is, when you run your Edison robot, it will pretty much when you run your Edison program, and then it will pretty much how do I say this? Let me find a better way to explain this. Clap is very sensitive, so any sound it makes, it will activate this. So when you run your Edison robot is driving, it will activate this regardless. So this is probably what we can do is we can just do some other challenge or something. We can maybe turn the light on, or we just keep this on for the time being. What we can do is when you press the play button, you drive forward. You drive forward. So when you press how do I say this? When you press the triangle button, you just keep moving forward. Actually, you move forward. You move forward like I'll just say, let's just make it move forward forever. We'll probably move forward, just say 5 centimeters at a time forever. And then when you press the round button, the back button, it will move backwards forever, you know? So, okay. So what we can also do, actually, it will, what is interesting? Oh yeah, we can also make it move. Sorry, let's just do a 360. Let's do a 180 degree. It will turn around 180 degrees. So spin around very fast. Let's make it spin very slow. So I'll just add yeah. I'll pretty much allow this. Maybe you can turn up the light as well when it spins around. So what we can do is we can use this program here. when we press, so another cool thing is when you detect an obstacle in front of you, you can make it do some random command as well. So if you see a obstacle in front, what you can do is maybe spin, maybe I'll just make it different, spin right, 180 degrees really fast, and I'll sound a horn or something like that, you know? And I'll add some comments. So maybe after you press the run button, maybe turn around after I press circle. I can add this comment here. Turn around very fast to avoid an obstacle. And then when you press the triangle button, we can just pretty much move forward and stuff. So let's just try running this. At least if you see this code, with comments, you'll not be able to you'll be able to know if what your code does. If you see comments, your EdScratch code will do, you can see what they do by the comments and stuff. And you can let other people know when you press triangle. So let's just try demonstrating this. I want to try running this on my own Edison robot. Let's just set this up. Oh yeah, perfect, awesome. Thanks for reminding. We need to turn off the obstacle detection thing. That's good. Thanks for the reminder. Awesome. I'm gonna give you a few minutes to do this after I demonstrate. We'll give you 5 minutes. Okay, so let's just try this. Okay, wait. It will drive forever, and then is a obstacle. Okay. So we have to turn on the obstacle detection beam. That's right, in order to move around. So let's just try this again. Okay, so for some reason it's not working, but if you press circle, maybe it's interfering. So let's just try this again. Okay, so maybe I'll just turn off the clap detector. It may interfere with all the program. Like I mentioned, if there's a sound, it may interfere. So let's just try doing this again. So you press the round button. Maybe I will make it simpler. Just make the make both motors just drive forward. And then we'll just probably maybe drive it like slowish pace. Let's try that again here. Okay, so now let's see how it performs now. Okay. Okay, so maybe this changes to, because when you detect obstacle, you detect it twice. So it's calling this twice, so maybe let's do it 90 degrees. So let's try that. Let's try running that again. Because you hear 2 beeps, which means the obstacle is detected twice. So this maybe do the 90 degrees twice. So let's just try running this. I'm gonna try running to my end. Yeah, so this is like a lot of time when you try to create some code from scratch, it may not always run the first time. You just have to play around until it works. okay to make mistakes. So yeah, so we drive forward here and turn around, and then it's gonna press, and then pretty much now you're gonna press triangle to move forward again, and then yeah, when you press circle, you're gonna move around, move around, move around, move around, and then play here, and then it's gonna move around like this. Yep, and then press triangle, and then press circle, it's gonna turn around, and then it takes an obstacle, so it'll turn around as well, you know? So yeah, so whenever you see an obstacle, it will turn around. You don't make it like your robot, just your own interactive robot as well, you know? Just should have your robot just avoid you, you know what I mean? So you can just pretty much place something in front and it will pretty much turn around, you know? So you can make it like a mad, like an angry robot, you know? Like someone who doesn't want to talk to you, you can just pretty much put in front of it and it will turn around, you know? So yeah, just you can like follow this code, or you can just do some like modification and stuff just to give it some personality as well, you know. So yeah, I'll probably give you a few minutes to the end of the class, and then someone can demonstrate, and then we'll finish the class early. Maybe just to make it more fun, I'll make it drive forward a little bit. Maybe I'll give it like drive forward like 10 centimeters and run really fast to give it more personality, you know. So let's try that. I'm just going to program this on my end. I just have to, yep, okay, so it's programming on my end. Okay, wait, just turn it on, turn it off again. Sorry. Let's see if it works. It's taking much longer to program, that's fine. Okay, so now let's just try this here. When there's an obstacle in front of me, you turn around and we run away. So we run away. Yeah, so that's strange. Sometimes it goes twice. Yeah, he's gonna run away. Oh, actually, let's just remove that then. I'm just been playing around, see what works and what doesn't work. You're probably gonna try this one more time, and then this should be the final code. This should be the final code just for people to try out. So here, at least now, just put this here, and then just from medicine. Yep, awesome. Now, just click this thing back here. So now, if we just try this again here, you will, yeah, just turn around every time there's an obstacle in front of you. You can pretty much drive forward. You can just put this here, you drive forward, and then we can also push a circle, turn around, circle, turn around, obstacle detected, press triangle to move forward, obstacle detected, move forward the other way, and stop. Okay, I'll give you a few more minutes just to try to get this working on your end. Yep, awesome. Mohit, do you want to demonstrate? Yep, nice, awesome, good job. I should unmute. Yep, okay, let's turn it on. Yep, nice. Yep, nice, awesome. It spins around, nice, awesome. Okay, awesome, good job, Maui. Yep, does anyone that wants to demonstrate? If not, we will end the class early. Thank you very much, or on time. Thank you very much. Good job following on this complicated class today. We'll do 2 more weeks of Scratch, I believe, 1 or 2 more weeks of Scratch, and then we will switch to Python, which will be much harder stuff. So I'm looking forward to that. Awesome. Well, have a good week. I'll see you next week, and yeah, enjoy school.
Okay, everyone. I'm going to unmute everyone. Say goodbye to Peter.
Say bye.
Yeah.
Bye. Bye.
Bye.
See ya. Have a good day.